guys.
पति गंजा, मेरा पति, मेरा पति, हाय मेरा पति गंजा है, हाय।
Did you just hear what she was saying? And trust me, this is not just a movie line. You know, all Baal husband, wife, she think about her husband like this. Can you imagine? Every single one of you, those who have lost your hair, your wife think just like this about you. The only problem is she has no guts to tell you that. Okay, so do me a favor and leave that. Do the favor on your wife. Try to get your hair back. Okay, try to get your hair back. And how to do this? Just follow me. Yes guys, I love my hair so much, but just to show you that yeah, this is not big or something, I made my hair, so just see. Welcome back to my channel, which is Health Wealth, created by me, Vishnu Prasad, and I hope you all are fine. So without making this video very long, let's jump on topic. Yes guys, so let's talk about today's topic, which is how to stop hair fall problem. But before talking about how to stop hair fall problem, we need to understand the cause of this, okay? And the cause of this is, you know, our often using chemical product, okay? And you know, very fancy product, which we don't realize that how harmful this is to our scalp, to our hair growth, okay? And we just have been using just because we see the advertisement of those products by, you know, famous actors, so we just believe on them and we just do it. So let's not talk about that. Let's talk about how to stop it. So in order to stop hair fall problem or any problem regard hair, first we need to do is stop using this fancy harmful product what we have been using, okay? And we need to go to nature, okay? Because before, as you can see, your grandfather, your grandmother, they hadn't been having hair fall problem. I have seen so many YouTuber video, they give so many, you know, they give this kind of solution. When you watch them, it's so expensive, you know, it's so expensive and it's so complicated that you watch their video, but even after their, you know, even after watching those video, you don't take any step regard that and you just continue living with life. I'm saying that it's very easy. In this video, I'm gonna be solving all those problems, and it's very cheap. Really, it's very cheap than you think. It's not gonna be like one of those YouTuber video, those who just you know, give you costly advice to fix your hair fall problem. I'm just gonna give you a simple advice which I've been using, and you know, I like my hair so much. But just to make this video, I cut my hair because I wanted to show you, you know, I wanted to show you that yeah, how thick my hair is, how thick and how short my hair is, just like a beard. So please watch this video by the end, then I will give you the best tip that you can do to save your hair. Yes guys, so be very active and listen those 5 items which I'm gonna tell you right now. It's so cheap, it's so easy to get to, and it's so effective that you won't even believe that. So let's start with number 1, which I have been doing it and which is 1000 times more effective than any costly product. So number 1 is, as you already have heard, aloe vera. Simply just go to aloe vera plant, just cut it, take the jelly out, put in your hair, just just leave for 15 minutes or 20 minutes to dry, then simply rinse off. All I'm saying, try to stay off with all this chemical product and try to go to nature, because trust me, whatever problem you have, okay, it's not given by you by nature. It's the fashion world. We often use gel, this chemical, that chemical. I can't imagine. So try to go to nature and your all problem will be fixed. Those company know very well that you want natural thing. That's why, have you ever heard face wash with aloe vera, or means hair serum, or hair product which is with onion, garlic, or aloe vera. They know very well that if I will use this natural product, natural thing, then of course this consumer will run to catch my product. Why is that? Have you ever imagined? Means you go and you buy their stuff by by seeing the picture of aloe vera. How much quantity of aloe vera is in that product? So what do you think? Just think, if suppose you buy one shampoo, okay, in that shampoo only 5 to 8% you will get, there will be the content of aloe vera, and 92%, 93% is just a chemical. That's why you people don't see. I don't understand. If you know that aloe vera is good for your hair, why don't you just run to aloe vera plant? So first one was aloe vera. Second one is onion. Guys, you won't even understand how cheap the onion is when we talk about as a medicine. I'm not talking about that onion is cheap, because this day, as you can see, is very costly. But still, when you will compare to hair product, then you will know that how cheap it is. Take one onion, just if you have mixer grinder or stone smasher, just smash or just grind it and take that. I know it's gonna be very smelly. Natural. No one talks about natural stuff because it's very nasty. That's all. No one like natural stuff. Aloe vera, it's a smell. Onion, you want, means it's not that you can just bear. People around you also won't be able to bear the smell of onion if you will put in your hair. But still, I'm not saying that you will have to do, and after putting this onion juice in your hair, you will have to go out. Simply, just once in a week, in a Sunday when you have day off, just simply just grind one onion, just put it in your hair, let it dry, and finish. No one has to know that you are using this nature. You can continue your style, you can continue with your Western culture with this natural stuff. You don't have to show to everyone that now you are, because this day when you do all these things, people think that you are so retarded. So simply just do it quietly. So remember, first one was aloe vera, second is onion, third is coconut oil. Now these days it's being very hard to find original coconut oil. As whatever you find in a fancy tin box or tin plastic pure, there will be chemical. So third one is coconut oil. Just do massage with coconut oil. You will find it you will find it in any store. Just use coconut oil. And fourth one is fish oil. You can research about it. Fish oil, how means how helpful it is to let your hair grow again, and make your hair very stronger, thicker. It's very helpful. I've been using it. It's very helpful. Fish oil. Okay, if you can simply buy online. It's not a medicine that it will means it has any side effect. You can check in internet. Fish oil has no side effect. So no need to worry, just simply use it. Is fifth one. Fifth one is just massage. Massage. So just simply gently use coconut oil, use mustard oil, whatever natural oil you can get, just use it and just massage it. Means when you massage help that cell which produce hair. So it's really help to for hair to regrowth and to be strong. So massage is also very helpful. You can read, massage is also very helpful. So Simply, always remember aloe vera, coconut oil, onion and fish oil, and this last but not the least, massage. Always remember these five items are very cheap, easy to get to from anywhere. All I'm saying that it's not, it's not rocket science to save our hair, to say no to baldness. Is very simple if you do it. Okay, do it before it's too late. Do it before it's too late. Okay, after then, trust me, I have met with so many those who go into hair transplant and it didn't suit to them also. I saw one of my friend, he did hair transplant, and after then he started to, his face, he started to have so many reaction. I'm not damn sure that it happened regard that. Doctor said him to come for 2-3 session. After first session he didn't go ever. So all I'm saying that don't go, don't cross that line. Don't wait for situation to be that worse, that except hair transplant you won't have any option. So till you have hair, just do all this stuff and remove, just remove all those fancy product from your wardrobe and just go to nature. Nature is the solution for all your problem. Yes guys, last but not the least, remember that you won't get this information from anywhere. So remember this. Do you know the reason even bald people have their beard very strong, very sharp, very thick, but they lose their hair? Do you know why? Because we don't use any chemical stuff in our beard, but we use often in our hair. So what I'm saying is scalp, right? This is our scalp. If my hair volume is that much, okay, if I'm using any product, okay, how can you expect from those nutrition of that product to go inside your scalp, right? If it's shorter, okay, then it will be very easy for those products to make those nutrition reach to the bottom of your hair, right? So that's what I'm saying. The tip is try to be bald. If you are becoming with your will, nature won't do it. So it's completely up to you. Either you be bald with your will for one certain time, or wait for destiny, wait for nature to make you bald permanently. Don't take your hair, don't take your health for granted. Simply, till you have time, just in a year once or twice, just try to stay bald. And I will give you, I will say in winter when you wear cap, just try to be bald, and be bald not with trimmer, with blade upside down. Your hair, let your scalp out of that weight of your hair, and then use all those products. And whatever I'm saying, if you use on your scalp, can you imagine how easy it is for those product nutrition to go and reach inside those bottom of your hair and make hair? Because if you have to strong your hair, you can't expect from hair to be strong, right? As first you have to make the base strong, right? And you can't expect to make a strong base while it's already too much hair on your head. So first remove those weak and thin hair, and just let your product nutrition to give you stronger and thicker hair. So remember, tip is once or twice, always try to be bald. Me also, I don't like my look without hair, because hair is the thing which decide your look. Can you imagine? Hair decide how you will look. Even no matter how beautiful the girl is, remove her hair, she won't look beautiful. And no matter how handsome the boy is, remove hair, he won't look handsome anymore. But it's completely up to you. You do it for one certain time, or you become bald for eternity. It's completely up to you. So I hope this video gonna be helpful to all of you, and this video helped all of you to understand what you really have to do in order to fix your hair problem. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel and like my video.